Welds. In this channel, we are on my journey to becoming a pipe welder. So today, we're going to be doing a weld freehand, a no-hand weld. So I saw this thing on TikTok where grab an electrode 7018 and set it on top of a workpiece, spark this, tap it with another electrode, and it's going to ignite an arc and weld on its own. We're going to try it out today. Okay, now the fun part begins. Let's find a spot where the electrode and the stinger are going to stay right intact so we could find the perfect spot so it could stay and weld. Okay, that didn't work, so let's try this angle. Wait, how is it going to stick if it's going to disappear? Well, maybe I'll try another angle. Okay, what about this angle? I think this angle works. Let's go ahead and grab a stinger, set it in place, and get to work. All right, strike, 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 strike. Come on, let's get banging, let's get banging. I want to see how it looks. Has anybody ever tried this before? What do you guys want me to try? I'm open for suggestions. I can't believe this is actually welding. Whoa, look at that. I saw this on a TikTok and it was a funny meme about when somebody wants to pass a weld test. But wow, isn't this really cool? No hand weld. Also stick around to the end, so I am going to show the results. I'm going to go ahead and use my chipping hammer and my wire brush to chip away the slag and to brush it just to see exactly how it looks. Also, if you haven't already checked out my other videos, I also try to weld a glass bottle onto a piece of metal, and I'm going to try different glass colors pretty soon. And wow, man, no way, it really did weld. Let's check it out. Wow, it already looks a lot better than some of the people in my class weld. Look at how straight that stringer is. Look how clean that weld is, nice, even. As you saw live, no hand weld. You don't already know, Welds. In this channel, we are on my journey to becoming a pipe welder. Hit that like, smash that subscribe.